Why am I always out of money? This is a question I've asked myself hundreds of times over the years. 6 years ago, I got married on a very tight budget, living in an expensive country and facing a huge debt. My salary seemed to vanish as soon as I received it, barely covering daily expenses, let alone allowing me to save money or pay off debts. For many years, I struggled with this question and felt trapped in a cycle of financial stress. Where is my money going? How can I sustain my life, pay off debt, and save money? My problem was that I had a vague notion that I was broke because I didn't earn enough. I thought I'd be fine if I got a better job, earned more money, or won the lottery. Sometimes I'd compare myself to friends from wealthier families and think, I don't have money because my parents couldn't provide for me or because I haven't had the opportunity to earn more. This vague thinking led to inaction for many years. Everything changed when I found out I was pregnant with my first child. It was a wake-up call. Suddenly, I had a new responsibility, and I started taking my finances seriously. I sat down with a mirror and a calculator to figure out my income and expenses. I realized that my biggest issue wasn't my salary, daily expenses, or debt. It was me. I hadn't been paying attention to my finances. I didn't know where my money was going. Once I had this epiphany, I began making positive changes. I learned about personal finance and took specific actions to improve my financial situation. Eventually, I paid off my debt, got a better job, started my own businesses, and built a strong financial foundation. Although I'm not a millionaire, I believe the lessons I've learned can help many people in similar situations. This video is the first in a series of 3 videos on basic personal finance. The first video answers the question, why? Why we face financial difficulties. The second video will answer, what? What tools and approaches can help us focus on our finances and improve them? The final video will answer, how? How to handle our monthly income effectively. The first mistake many people make, including myself, is not tracking income and expenses systematically. Budgeting, or creating a financial plan for your income, is essential. Most people don't understand where their money goes. You need to record all income and expenses to see the big picture of your finances. By meticulously tracking every penny that comes in and goes out, you can identify unnecessary expenditures, discover patterns in your spending, and make informed decisions about where to cut costs and where to allocate more funds. Tools like spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or even a simple notebook can be incredibly helpful in this process. Consistency is key. The more diligently you track, the more accurate your financial picture will be. The second issue is timing. Many people plan their expenses after receiving their salary. Instead, you should plan your budget before you get paid. Set financial goals for each dollar you earn. This proactive approach helps you prioritize and control your spending. By pre-allocating your income to various categories such as bills, savings, and discretionary spending, you ensure that your financial priorities are met before the money is spent. This method, often referred to as preemptive budgeting, allows you to live within your means and avoid impulsive spending. Planning ahead also gives you the opportunity to anticipate upcoming expenses and save accordingly, preventing financial surprises. The third mistake is not saving from the start. Growing up, I saw people saving what was left after spending, but this doesn't work. When you see money left over, you tend to spend it. Instead, pay yourself first. Save a portion of your income before anything else. This way, you ensure savings for the future and avoid spending it all. This principle of paying yourself first is a fundamental concept in personal finance. By treating savings as a non-negotiable expense, you prioritize your financial future. This approach not only helps build a safety net for emergencies, but also contributes to long-term goals such as retirement, homeownership, or education funds. Automatic transfers to savings accounts can simplify this process and make saving a habit. My husband and I follow this approach. Despite our differing incomes, I have a stable salary as a university professor, and he has variable earnings as a freelancer. We set a minimum budget based on the lowest expected income and adjust as needed. This conservative budgeting ensures that we can meet our essential needs even during lean months. By planning for the worst-case scenario, we avoid financial stress and can better manage periods of fluctuating income. Any surplus income is then directed towards savings, investments, or additional debt repayment. This strategy provides us with financial stability and flexibility. Finally, you must review and adjust your budget regularly. Personal finance requires ongoing attention and adjustments to ensure you stay on track. Life circumstances and financial goals can change, and your budget should reflect these changes. Regularly reviewing your budget allows you to assess your progress, make necessary adjustments, and stay aligned with your financial objectives. This might involve reallocating funds, increasing savings, or cutting back on non-essential expenses. By maintaining a dynamic and flexible budget, you can adapt to new financial challenges and opportunities, ensuring long-term financial health. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards achieving your financial goals. Whether you're looking to get out of debt, save for the future, or simply manage your money more effectively, these steps provide a solid foundation for financial success. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community, and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.